everybody, Debra Dickinson here, banded over there, sleeping in the passenger chair. Thank you for being on my channel today. I appreciate it. And today is a special treat because Robert joined Joan and I on the Snake River in Idaho for a few days. And we went on a big adventure and I can't wait to share it with you. You got to see some of it in that intro. And also, since Robert was with us over Father's Day weekend, I made homemade applesauce for the first time using Joan's recipe. And that was such fun. Our adventure outing took us, and I'm going to read this because I want to make sure I get this right because I couldn't believe it. We just had the best day. But it took us from Swan Valley and the Palisades Reservoir in Idaho with osprey flying overhead and their big old nest, and it was just beautiful. But we went all the way from there to the caribou forest in Wyoming. We went up and over 2 mountain ranges, and in part of our trip, we could even see the Tetons. Robert was also able to get my overhead ceiling fan working again, and I really am grateful for that with the summer coming up and all the heat that we've had. And all of that is in this video and more, so I hope you enjoy it. Come on, baby. She said go. Was that one literally headbutting the van? Huh? Was that one headbutting the van? Yeah. And we could feel it. Yeah, yeah. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. You're awesome. Thank you. What is it?
Elk legs.
Ugh.
Two of them.
Thanks for being here, everybody. We'll see you down the road.